You're welcome to FX Renewal Global Limited, and today is 28th of October 2022, and we're going straight up to analysis. Yesterday, we analyzed that this was going to happen yesterday, and of course, you guys can see we had this particular push. All right, so we analyzed that we'll have this push from here to this level here yesterday. Let's go to a lower time frame and see how it played out, and also what we're expecting that will happen today. So this was what we analyzed that was going to happen yesterday. As you guys can see, we got that 100%. And now the question is, what next? What else are we expecting that is going to happen here? Of course, you guys can see that we have fair value gap here. All right, we have fair value gap here, but then we would like to see this market hit this particular level. And if you go to daily order block, if you go to daily time frame, sorry, in that daily time frame, you will see that here also will have a fair value gap, which is this particular level here. And this place will have a fair value gap. That is to tell you that it is ideal for this market to find its way to this level before it begin to come down. Now, let me throw more light on this. I'm taking this out. So I would like to see any reason that will make this market to pull back from wherever it is now to do something like this, find a way to like go like this to this level here. When you get to this level, we'll take it down. All right, take away this liquidity. Once we tap this level here, then we can start expecting this market to still go, depending on whatever we see. But this is directly what we will be eyeing now. Okay, now having known this is actually what will be eyeing now, let's go straight up to lower time frame and find out the level we'll be watching from the lower time frame. Okay, so we'll have this, and also we'll have this. So this is the level. This is where we'll have the fair value gap. This is where we'll have the fair value gap. I'm talking about the daily fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. Check it again. Okay, this is where we'll have the daily fair value gap, not this. This is where we'll have the daily fair value gap. So let's go to 4 hours. That's the place. So here also we'll have this, and here we'll have the SKL, the structural key level. Okay, so now this is the key level we'll be expecting this market to come to. The structural key level we'll be expecting this market to come to. So here we'll be expecting to see this movement to the upside. And when it hits this level, all right, and possibly tap this into this level, then we'll start expecting to see it come down to this level. This is actually what I said we will be expecting for today on this particular trade. We would like to see a situation whereby market will come to this level. And if you take Fibonacci on where we are, which is this place here, if you take your Fibonacci from this level to this level here, of course, you know that this is the point where we'll be expecting reversal from here to this level here. So this is 50% to 70.5%. All right. So anything from this structural key level, we'll be expecting to have this market pull back. And if you want to take it further, you can just put this in as what, as a breaker block. And then knowing that you're expecting this market to return back to a breaker block. So here we'll have confluence of signals. Okay. And that is what we'll be expecting from this particular trade. We want to see the market come back and give us this particular trend, just the same way we've just analyzed it. And let's go straight up to another pair. Good. So here also we'll have this. We'll be expecting to see the market come back down into this particular level here. As you can see, we'll have a fair value gap here. So I would like to see this market straight back into this fair value gap. Then before we'll find the just the same way we analyze this particular pair here. So I would like to see any reason, anything that will make this market come back down here to at least this level here. So I would like to see it this way, back down here, then find a way to the upside. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting to see. Taking this out. So let's go straight to 4 hours and see what's happening in 4 hours. In 4 hours, of course, you see, yeah, I can see we'll have this here in 4 hours. If you go to lower time frame, you see it clearly. So here is a structural key level, which also serves as a breaker block, confluence of signals. Good. So we want to see this happen. We want to see them come back down to this level. Let's say go to under pair. Let's go straight to lower time frame. Sorry. Here in this lower time frame, of course, you know, we'll have this. I just want to refine it so that you guys will understand what perfectly or how perfectly this market is going to move. This market will trade into this fair value gap, push up to this level here, tap into this zone, and give us a push down to this level here. Then after that, we'll see a push to the upside. So this is what perfectly we'll be expecting to see from this particular pair. All right. So like I told you guys that market, this market is still going to come down, but then for now, this is what we'll be expecting to see. This liquidity is already taken out, so to come back here, we test it here, and boom, back to the upside, and take away this liquidity that is below here, then boom to the upside. Okay, that is what we'll be expecting to see here. And the next one is GBPUSD. Real fast, real fast. GBPUSD, we're expecting to see on GBPUSD. Just as we analyzed yesterday, we have GBPUSD coming down. So let's go to daily. On the daily chart, we are saying this market has actually entered here on a daily chart. Okay, so I will still want to see market give us this at least this level. So this level here. Good. Can use this level here or possibly use this particular level. Which is the structural key level. Now, if this is the level I'm watching, I would like to see this market come back down here. Then I will take it to the upside. Why? Because of this. And also, if you watch here, I still have also I still have another fair value gap inside. And inside of this level. Yeah. So this is the level I would like to see the market come back and play before they take a push to the upside. But what my bias is actually today is going to be that this market is still going to go to the upside to take away this liquidity that will have it and possibly get mitigated by this particular level here. Okay. So I would like to see something like this. You see, come push further down a bit here, then to the upside. take away this liquidity from me, take away this level. So this is what I'll be eyeing. Then from here, I can now, you're going to expect, depending on what I have seen these guys do here. Okay, but this is where I will be expecting this market to get between yesterday, between tomorrow, today and tomorrow. So this is what I will be expecting to see in this market. I want to see them do this. So I want to see them play back into this level here. Then we'll find a place to go to the upside. I hope this is clear. So I will still be expecting this market to still come down before it goes to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. My bias is the upside, but I'll be expecting that during the particular time the market is consolidating, let them find a way to come into this level. All right, come back into this level, play it into this place, then come down here. From there, we are going to go to the upside. That is what I want to see from this pair. Then the next pair is gold. If you go to daily time frame, gold is not too clear. Let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, we are seeing this market come into this particular fair value gap. It has tapped into the fair value gap and possibly tapped into this particular gap too. What do we expect? A push to the upside, all right? A push to the upside. So I will be expecting this guy to still go to the upside. Boom. A push to the upside. Market enter the fair value gap here and push to the upside. And also here we'll have fair value market have already entered here, so we need a push to the upside. So, but being that this is what we're expecting to see these guys do this morning, what are we expecting them to do this morning? Let's take this thing out and see what these guys are likely to do this morning. So this is a block we have. Let's go to 2 hours or 1 hour. We're trying to see if there's a loophole or what they really want to achieve by this movement. Okay, so here we'll have liquidity here, and also we'll have liquidity here. This is perfect. So we'll be expecting a push to the upside. So personally, I would like to see these guys do this. You know, I would like to see this guy give me this push to this side, then a push to the upside. That is what I would have loved to see. I would have loved to see them do this, right? So here I have another block. I would have loved to see them do this. Boom. Tap here. Find a way, come back down. No? Tap into this level. Then get mitigated here. Then boom to the upside. That is what I will be expecting to see from this particular pair. Then as another thing I want to talk about here is AUDUSD for our chart. AUDUSD is doing well. So I would still like want to see them push back down before they go to the upside. They've tapped into this level, of course. They couldn't hit the structural key level. Let's go to lower time frame and see if there's something we can see there. So market tap into this, also tap into this level. So what do you expect? We expect a push to the upside that will take away this liquidity that we have here, because market has already entered this fair value gap, so it should take away this particular high, right? So that is why our bias here is going to be high. But before then, we might see this market coming down a bit before they go to the upside. Back to 1 hour. You can the market have already created this. So on a good day, on normal, this market is supposed to move straight up like this, boom, to the upside, because it has fulfilled all the conditions that it needs to fulfill to go to the upside. That is what we were supposed to see. But then what we are anticipating that we're going to possibly happen is because already here we'll have liquidity levels, and those liquidity levels need to be taken out. So from here to here already we'll have this trend line liquidity. So from here also, we'll have this other block which has been mitigated. Good. So taps break this structure, come back here, pull back then this. So I would like to see something like this happen. Now I clear the chart. I'd like to see something like this happen. Boom, boom, to this level here. They could achieve this using news there to the upside. This what I would have loved to see happen. So I would have loved to see this thing happen, because they're taking away this particular high. But normal, you should just go to the upside, all right? So, but then, so I have this, bro. Good, nice one. Let's go to the next one. The next one is USD card. USD card. Yesterday, I analyzed that market will likely go to this level here, and before coming down. But the market, the digs, of course, it did came down. All right, so it didn't get to this level because I had wanted them to take away this particular liquidity here, tap in here before coming. But then this has already entered there and flushed down. So what we're expecting to see here is this. We have already broken to the downside. So, and as you can see, market is still breaking to the downside, down, down. All right. So let's take away all these stuff so we can have a clear chart and then anticipate where the market is likely headed next. To achieve that, let's go straight to daily. Daily, we still have this. Let's go to 4 hours. We'll have this liquidity level taken out. Oh, it has been grabbed already. Let's check on that one. 2 hours. Full of liquidity. We have taken out this liquidity and trade into this particular. It has entered this particular fair value gap. So what we're expecting is to see the market come down. Okay, we want to see the market come down. So next thing we need to do here is this. We'll have this, we'll have this, we'll have this. So 1 hour. So we're expecting to see this happen. Get back into this level. Then a shift down. So I want to see them do this. push into this level and come down. But then let's check, let's see what is happening there in higher time frame like 4 hours. As much as we're expecting this market to come down, so at what point is it getting to? Is it going to get to? Here we'll have a little fair value gap here, and that was where the market has tapped to go to the upside. But then later came back down. So we are expecting to see market come back to this level. I would like to see the market come down to this level, right? So I'm going back to 2 hours so we can see our analysis clearly. So we want to see this one close and that one open. It needs to go straight into that particular level and then begin to come down. So what I want to see them do is come back up here, trade into this fair value gap here. I'm talking about this level that we'll have here. Once it's trade into this level here, I begin to expect a flush to downside. Okay, this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. I won't be expecting much from this pair. So the next one again I need to go to is we need to go to USDCHF. USDCHF, as you guys can see, we have this. Uh, that was what to analyze yesterday that this was going to happen. So they should at least come and tap into this level. All right. So they've actually tapped into the level. Right, so that was what we wanted to see yesterday. They've done that already. So what we want to see now is we want to see these guys come back down to this level here. So let's go to lower time frame and see what is supporting our bias or downside. So this level has been tapped into. So also we'll have this which has not been tapped into. Okay, so we're talking about USDCHF. So what do we want to see in USDCHF? I would like to see this in USDCHF. I want to see a push. After they push to this level, then they will think of coming down, or they will push to this particular level here to take away this liquidities here, which is also which is a high probability setup I'm looking at. Then before they will now go down. So once they get to this level, I'll start looking for a push to the downside. This is what I'll be expecting USDCHF to give me today. Then the next one is NASDAQ. NASDAQ will have this and we have taken away this level, we have taken away this liquidity here, so we have also returned back to this particular block here and grab some liquidity here, right? And grab some liquidity there. And after that, boom, to the upside, right? So, but if you watch here, you see, we trade what we see and not what we feel. No matter what you project, price will always tell you what he wants to do. Your job is to play along with that which price wants to do, right? So here we'll have a fair value gap here, which is what the price wants to do. So this is what price wants to do. So we would like to see, as price have already gotten in here, then I ask myself a question like, has it really touch this particular utmost part, this up here? Did it take this one? Did it take away this level here? No, it did not take away this level. So what am I now expecting? I'm expecting to see anything that will make these guys to come into this particular level here. So once they come here, then I begin to look for a sell. You get? So, and the sell I'm going to look for is going to take away this particular low. So I'll be looking for to come down here after this level here. Then this is the next fair value gap I have. So I'll be expecting this price to come to this level before any need for an up movement. So this is what I'll be expecting from this pair. Then the next one again is US30. US30 performed very well, just as we anticipated yesterday. Like I told you guys yesterday, I told you guys that this market is going to come up here to come and take away this liquidity. And that was why we analyzed this. As you can see, it came and grabbed this liquidity from here. So what else do we expect? Because before we analyzed this market, we saw that there's something like this. The market was somewhere here. I told you guys that this market needs to go here, take out this particular liquidity before it begin to come down. You can visit our yesterday analysis to check out how accurate our analysis has always been. All right. So after this, now what I was expecting, we're expecting a push to the downside, just the same way it has been analyzed. All right. So this particular movement continues this way, just as it has analyzed. All right. And this is US30. Then USDJPY. Good. Perfectly. USDJPY is performing as we anticipated. Let's go back to a lower time frame. Okay, let's zoom in and see what our analysis was and also what played out. Yesterday, I told you guys that I would like to see this market come down to come and take away this particular low. All right. Then if you come down here, they need to go to the upside. So as you can see, market has been doing that, but it has not been too easy for the market actually. So what we'll be expecting is to see this market come into this particular level here, which is fair value gap. Then after that, we begin to expect them to come to the downside. Do you get it? So that is just it. So they might not likely come back up again here because they've actually done that. So we're expecting something like this. Except there is a shift candle to the upside. If there's a shift candle to the upside, all right, then our bias is going to change for them to go back to the upside for coming down. GBPJPY. For GBPJPY, yesterday I only gave you guys just a straight line what was going to happen because I've looked at the market. Market has fulfilled all the conditions that is expected to fulfill. So I told you guys that this market will just do this and come down, come and tap this particular level. All right. So market came, hit this particular level for us. So which is amazing. So some of us who have been trading with our setups, of course, I'm talking about our analysis every single day, then you should know how much you've made at least yesterday alone. Yesterday alone, I caught over 500 pips. All right, and I caught it just from just 3 pairs, and that was just it. So market will give you what you know you can get every single day. It's all about you selecting the pair that have the highest setup, right? That you think that this setup is okay for you. Then you take your trade. So this is what we're expecting. We have gotten this break of market structure, take away liquidity, break of market structure, return back to the other block, and then boom to the downside. So what I would say expecting here, boom to the downside. It's as simple as that. So the more this market goes up, the more I'm seeing more opportunity to do what to sell. Until I see the thing that I'm taking away the particular level, then I will change my bias to the upside. But for now, my bias is going to be to the downside. So this is where we draw the curtain onto this market analysis. So guys, remember, don't overtrade, don't add to a negative trade, and don't over leverage your account. Don't over leverage your account. Then also ensure that you trade with stop loss. If you are not trading with stop loss, mental stop does not work. And also help us click on that notification button and like and share. If you have any question, please drop it on that comment box while we attend to you. Thank you very much, guys, and you'll have a perfect trading day. I remain Godwin Emmanuel.